You're thinking about trading, right? You'll see all these people on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, whatever, making thousands and millions of dollars. But you don't understand what it is and how to start. Here are 3 things that you need to master before you start day trading. Just to put it in perspective, what makes you think that you're going to get thousands and thousands of dollars every single day, every single week, every single month, every single year? Right when you start, in a doctor, a brain surgeon, a lawyer, an accountant, people who actually went to school for a lot of years and they try to master these skills. What makes you think that you can make more money than them in a week, in a month, when you're just starting trading? What makes you think that a doctor is going to take 10 years in order to make 6-figure salary, and you're going to make a 6-figure salary in just your first month or your first year? Does that make even sense to you? Does that even make sense to you? No. But guess what? It is 100% possible. So here are 3 things that you need to master in order for you to make money in the stock market, in order for you to start day trading. This is not what it is. I'm not gonna sell you bullshit. I'm not. This is the things that you actually need to sit down, put your head down, and study. Read every single day, study every single day. This thing is not a get rich quick scam. It's not like that. Number 3 is going to be the one that will dictate if your future looks bright or you'd rather just look into another career. Because you may be smart as hell. You might be good with numbers. You might be good retaining information. But if you not control yourself, if you cannot control yourself, you're a nobody. Number 1, we have technical analysis. You see all these people telling you, learn this strategy, learn this. This is my strategy, 2026, how to become rich, all this kind of stuff. Technical analysis, it's a very good tool when it comes to analyzing charts and seeing how people practically are taking advantage of movements, micro movements, because this kind of movements are not forever. Micro movements in the market. You just have to think in probabilities. How likely is my price to be taken? If I want to sell something, is my price way too high? Is it according to average? Is it way too low? Am I desperate to feel like to sell anything? If you want to buy something, is this a good deal? Does it even make sense? Things like this, technical analysis will show you a lot of good things, a lot of good fundamentals. But technical analysis is only 10% of what constitutes day trading. Chart patterns. We have candle patterns, candle formations, things like that. Second, we have fundamental analysis. This is going to be 40% of your profits in trading. Fundamental analysis. What is it, you might ask? Fundamental analysis is when you analyze a stock deeply, not just by the price that you're paying, but you're looking at how much in sales has they given, what kind of profit margins they are doing, how much money they are spending. You know, profit to loss ratio, how much money they are losing every single quarter to make this kind of money. Doesn't even make sense. The kind of valuation that the company has, right? How much money they have sitting in cash in the bank. How much money they are projecting to make in the next 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, a year, 5 years, 10 years. Depending on the kind of investing, depending on the kind of trading that you want to do, you might want to look at these things. You want to look at things deeply rather than just price. Price usually is something that's the first thing that we see. What's the price on the chart? How much is it? But we don't have an idea of what's behind the price. You know what I mean? Is this price worth it? Is it overinflated? Is it underinflated? You have to take a look at their data, company's data. That's fundamental analysis. And we have the third one, and the most important one, which constitutes 50% of your day trading goals, 50% of your day trading profits, and that's trading psychology. How the human brain works under uncertainty. Nobody knows what kind of stock price we will have in 5 minutes, 10 minutes, an hour, 2 hours, 3. We don't know. We don't know if the stock price is going to go up or down. We have no idea. In trading psychology, knowing how your brain works is going to take you to the next level. You will see profits of $100, but because of your trading psychology, you can see profits of $100,000 in one day. Knowing when to take your exit, knowing when to take your stop loss, understanding market psychology, understanding what fear and greed is. Those are the most important things. Understanding that you feel like you're hoping your price is going to reverse on you, and it's going to take you from a losing position to a winning position. And once you're green, you have a fear that you're going to lose all the money that you haven't even gotten yet. Once you're green, that's money that is not yours until the moment you sell. And once you're red, that's money that is gone already. Don't think that it could come up and you're going to break even somehow, somewhat. Trading psychology is the number one thing that a lot of traders miss, and that's why 90% of traders lose money in the market and they quit in their first year. Once you master trading psychology, things such as, why do I enter here? Why do I hold my positions? Why am I even looking at this stock? All these kind of questions that come up. Is my price going to reverse? Is my trade going to be invalidated? Every single thought that comes out when you have uncertainty or once you are into a position is your trading psychology. Once you learn to understand your feelings and think logically rather than emotionally, once you can do that, you will become what we call in the streets a day trader. Once you can master this psychology, you will see 6-figure salaries, 6-figure profits in no time. So let's recap. We have number 1, technical analysis, studying charts patterns. Very easy to understand. Second thing, we have fundamental analysis. Remember, this is 40% of your trading profits. Fundamental analysis. Is my company doing good? Is my company doing bad? Is this overpriced? Is this underpriced? Fundamental analysis, 40%. Technical analysis, 10%. And then we have trading psychology, which is 50% of your trading profits. 50%, half of your trading profits. Just think about it. You could make $100 in one day, or you could make $5,000 in one day. all because of trading psychology, and that's 100% true. So let's sit together, let's understand these three things that are going to take us to the next level, and come sit down and make some money with me.